It's been a while since I've truly smiled from the heart. This trip to Bangkok gave me that time with old friends, familiar streets, and a feeling I've missed for a long time. Thank you to my childhood friends who took the time to meet me in Bangkok. Even though it was just a short gathering, I truly enjoyed every moment. Recently, I've been struggling with my health and also mentally. I've been feeling tired, tired of pretending to be strong when inside I'm not. Tired of being there for people who wouldn't do the same for me. Sometimes I fight silent battles that no one sees. People think I'm fine because I keep smiling and keep going, but truth is, I'm just barely holding on. This short gathering in Bangkok gave me something I really needed: real connection, real support, and a moment to breathe again. I also want to thank my niece for meeting me and bringing me to the temple to pray. She wished for blessings for my health. Even though I'm a free thinker, I respect her kindness and the meaning behind it. It reminded me that love and care can come in many forms. To all my followers who wrote to me, asking why I haven't been posting lately, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Your care means more to me than you can imagine. Sometimes we all need to step back to take care of ourselves before we can create again. Please know that I'm slowly finding my strength back, and I'll return with new recipes and stories when I'm ready. This trip reminded me that sometimes, even a few days with people who truly care can give us the strength to keep going. Maybe this trip wasn't just a short break. Maybe it was something I needed to remind myself that it's okay to rest, to feel weak, and to not have everything together. I don't always have to be strong for everyone. Sometimes I just need to be there for myself.